Hello, ladies and gentlemen. My name is Beth, and behind the cameras we have.
We do not have.
Hello, ladies and gentlemen. My name is Beth, and we are the Moriongis, and today we have a very amazing video for you. Today is our son's birthday. He's turning 2 years old, and I am so excited. Sijui kama baba yake ako excited kama mimi, but I am so excited. Thank you so much for those who have clicked this video to watch. Thank you for those who have subscribed, and thank you for those who are subscribing. So I want to bake a cake for my son. Leo ndio birthday yake, so before tufanye vitu zingine, because we are planning on other things, utaziona tu hapo kwa vlogs. So I want to bake a cake for him, tumwimbie ka happy birthday before now the main birthday party. So I'm tagging you along. My ingredients are here. I'm ready for the birthday cake. So we have sugar, we have flour, we have baking powder, we have margarine, we have milk, we have vanilla essence, we have the measuring cup, we have the whisk, and we have the tray. So I'm making 2 cakes because he's turning 2. So I'm making 2 cakes for him. Akule, ashibe, atusheki. So thank you so much guys for joining in. So tuanze. Let's get into the video. So guys, we have gotten our consistency. So lazima sasa hii tutaita mixture yako isikuwe thick na isikuwe so thin, ikuwe hivi. Sisi kama na get ikuwe hivyo, alafu ikuwe smooth, isikuwe na bumps. So you make sure your mixture is smooth. Unaona vile iko? Yeah. Smooth mixture, both of them. Yeah. So we are ready to proceed. The next step after umetengeneza mixture yako imekuwa vile unataka ikue. The reason as why tunaimake ikue hivyo isikuwe thick ndio keki ikue sponge, isikuwe ngumu. Ukimake mixture ikue ngumu, keki nayo inakuwa ngumu. So the next step, I'm going to use my sufurias because why not? You take your margarine, you apply in your sufurias. Ndio isishike chini, ndio keki yako isishike chini. Usiweke mingi na usiweke kidogo.
Wenye watumii sufuria.
Wenye watumii sufuria mnatumia baking trays, bado iko sawa. Lazima tu upake. But mimi sufuria zina work well for me. Pia wenye mnatumia jiko, sufuria will work well for you. Wenye wanatumia gas, si lazima ukuwe na cooker by the way. If you want to see how to use a gas to bake a cake, I did a video once, iko hapo. So you can go and watch. Then you take your unga kidogo kidogo.
You dust.
You dust your sufuria. Usiweke unga mingi. Yeah. So we take the other sufuria. You apply your margarine. Now apply water. Then you take your flour. You dust your sufuria. Yes. Wash hands. Hatuna maji. So the next step, to make sure your mixture haina iko smooth, then mnaona hapa ndani. Make sure your mixture ina bubbles before uweke kwa oven. Let it sit for about 20 minutes as you preheat your oven. So we are going to preheat our oven for 20 minutes ili sit kwa sababu iko na baking ndio iweze raise. So our settings, tutaweka 20 minutes. So we are baking at 180 degrees. Alafu na 20 minutes preheat, alafu tuta bake for 50 minutes. Tume preheat for 20 minutes.
So kisema ati sikuwe na bubbles zinakuaga initial baking.
Unagongesha ukiweka ndani.
Sasa si lazima itoe bubbles juu ya baking.
Anasema before ugongeshe.
Sasa kutoka hapo ni kwa
50 minutes at 180 degrees. So let's wait. Let's come back after 50 minutes. Tuone vile keki yetu inakaa. In the meantime, Eric is going to make us some popcorns as we wait for our cake.
A few minutes later.
Our cake is ready. Wow. Don't touch. Wait. Let me turn it. Yay! So don't touch. Let me remove the other one. Wow! Let's get the other one. Move, Tezo, move. Don't touch. Wow! Let's turn it. Wow! Our cakes are ready. So guys, our cakes are ready. 1, 2. How old are you now? 2. Good boy. Yes guys, so that was it. Thank you so much for watching. Thank you so much for subscribing, and thank you so much for sticking around. So kama mnataka nifanye hii recipe pole nikionyesha, comment down below mniambie nionyeshe ku bake a cake. So we are not going to decorate because need too much sugar and it's not necessary for the kids. So we are going to cut our cake and sing happy birthday for our baby boy who is turning 2 years old. Yes. So see you on the other side.